Alright, just going over some stuff. I got a Optima battery, big old ground, going to the alternator. Got a brand new carburetor on it. Just put it on yesterday. Got the brake booster with the external tank down here. Shut the hood here. See, everything's good. There's a little bit of rust right here. There's a little bubbling. A couple of chips of paint from stuff in the front. Brand new headlights. This got cracked. I glued it back on. Brand new tires, front and rear, all matching. The only rust on the car is down below on the doors themselves. The body doesn't have any rust, except for right there. You can see it's mostly a door, dual exhaust, both side exit. There's a little bit underneath, but from the sides and everything you can't really see it. Back's clean, trunk is clean. A little bit, same area. Same area. Bottom of the door again. There's some right there. The actual door shut smoothly. Nothing special. The door upholstery. This one needs to be reupholstered, and so does this seat. But the other seat, almost brand new. So are the rears. That door panel's good. It's got a CD player. This is the ignition button. You just flip that up. Everything turns on. You don't have to touch the gas pedal. You just hit the start button. Starts right up. She idles about 500 to 600. That's how you shut it off. Also, the steering wheel stays locked until you push the key forward. It locks. It's got a B&M shifter. Oh, that's about it. Lights work. Windshield wipers work. I'll flip these on. Everything else is pretty good on it. It's got 6x9s back here, and then one speaker dead center. You can see everything. I mean, it drives perfectly. Anything else you want to see, just let me know.